Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today. Today we're trying to sort out my room. It is a mess, there's no other way of putting it. It's a mess, it's a mess, it's a mess. And I need to work out the best way to lay everything out. I've got to move everything. I've got to set up my desk and my monitor so I can do proper editing and start work again. Which is coming up very, 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 very quickly. And I've got another cup of go-go juice to aid me in getting started. But let me turn you around so you can see the state of the room. Mirror, hello. Curtains are up. Yeah, boxes at the back there. My desk is currently just sitting in the middle of the room. I've got my old desk, which I used as my vlogmas table. If I go over here, that's my vlogmas table, which I need to break it down. And all of these boxes, and I've still got a couple of things I need to package up and ship with UPS. We're time to get started. Yes, I need to get on. I'm already hot. I might have to go and change into a t-shirt. This may take more than one day as well, looking at it. Yikes. Okay, I've cleared all the boxes out from that corner. To be honest, having all of this space is a little overwhelming. But I'm also trying to make the most of it and get the most into it and the most out of it at the same time. Right, I've got a couple of UPS things that I need to package up. Did I say it would take maybe a couple of days to sort my room out? Well, it's going to take a bit longer because I've decided to paint it. As my workstation set up there with my monitors. Just building up the energy to do the edging, doing the cutting in. Maybe I should just get someone to do it for me. Pay someone. So a lot of my stuff is now outside the girls' room. There's a daisy. There's my mirror and my lemurs. What a tip this room is. But the good news is tomorrow is tomorrow is the day that my room gets painted by an actual professional, so I'm very excited about that. So what I need to do today is clear as much of this out as possible so he's got room to work around. I've got another unit at the back there, another 75cm unit from IKEA that was delivered a few weeks ago. It's been downstairs in the snug ever since. Yeah, so I need to get this lot cleared. The room has been cleared. Oh, look at it. I've pulled these units away from the wall so you can get to the wall around there. Ooh, it feels quite echoey. Look at the indents they've made on the carpet already. And that's without even the weight of all my bags on them. So I've got all of these, but for the painting I just brought everything in. Hello! We haven't been able to get these blinds off, so he's going to have to paint round them. There is like a little wooden bit that goes into that screw hole and that screw hole. It's like a wooden, call it a plank, and from that is where the curtains actually hang. The curtain rod is on there. We are using Fellow and Ball posh, very posh paint in the UK. I took the light sockets off and I started cutting in around the door, and then I thought, why am I doing this? I don't like this anymore. I'd much rather be spending my time doing other things. So that is why I have a professional coming in. I'm so excited to see this room painted. What's happening?
What's happening, man?
What's happening, man?
I have my haircut.
These curls that don't quit. Look at them. I will be sad to see them go, but I know the pain. Look at that one. Look at it. Boingy, boingy. Boing. But I do know the pain of the long hair.
Yep. Gone.
Gone.
It's gone.
It's some considerable time later and the room is almost done, but I'm going to share it with you now. Are you ready for this? Lily's just barged her way in here because she does not like a closed door. Hello, Lily. Hello. Yes, everything's fine. Everything's fine. So first thing you can see is we have space. We have space on the floor. And my new units. So that was old, that was new, that was old, that was old. So it's all put together again now. It's bigger, better, faster, stronger. I'll show you a couple of bits that I've got in there that I've added to it. I've got my throne chair there and my lovely neighbourhood threat cushion that I shared in my recent low-low haul. And check out my new curtains. Yeah, look at these, look at the colours. These are by Emma J. Shipley and I found them in John Lewis and they were on sale. It took me a couple of weeks to find someone who would actually be able to shorten them because they were about 4 or 5 inches too long. I went round all the sort of local towns, phoning around everywhere saying, can you do this for me? Can you shorten some curtains and put some eyelets in for me? So I ended up speaking to a fabric shop. They said, no, we don't do that here, but we have got the number for someone. We can give you a number. But it turns out she lives round the corner. So I was able to easily pop round, drop them in. She's done them. She's put the eyelets in for me. So when I ordered these from John Lewis, what I didn't realise was that they'd come in their own bag. So I have this kind of shopper bag as well as a pair of lovely curtains. The radiator is quite a bit wider than the window, but this radiator is stuck on 5. We've tried turning it down, but it seems to be stuck on maximum, and so the line has suggested maybe we'll look into replacing that and put something a little more pretty. You can see the wall is a really dark blue. This is Hague Blue by Farrow and Ball. And there's my Lily. Please don't go in there. Please don't go in there. Okay, let's show you this bit while Lily's in here. So as part of the new shelving system, I got this pull-out for all of my silk scarves. So I've got all my McQueen, my Gucci, Balenciaga, McQueen. Where's my little Louis bandeau? Yep, I've got all of those hanging there. What I didn't think about though was naughty cats trying to get in there and hide behind everything. Thank you, Lily. So to stop them from going in there, I put my Vivea shoes. Doesn't seem to have stopped them. All my bags are out and on display, and I'll be honest, having them all out and clearly visible, not tucked away in a little corner and all that kind of stuff, it has made me think there's some here that I really don't use, so maybe the time has come to look at selling some more stuff. I've got my first set of roses there from Rose Forever New York, beautiful, and then a slightly brighter set of pink roses, my follow-up, my framed Louis Vuitton Christmas 2019 packaging because I just love all the colours. I've got a couple of little glass bottles that I showed you in my low-high haul from the charity shop, British Heart Foundation. Got all my tiny little nanos lined up with my beautiful peekaboo and my bit of Fendi. The Precious Tiger is up there as well. And lovely little framed paw print of our poor pussycat, Isabella cat, Izzy cat, who we lost in 2020. So that's my units of dreams, my shelves of bag dreams, and this is my, you know, just my usual IKEA drawer unit. I made sure that I'm still able to get in and out of these drawers, no problem. I still have some stuff to put back in the drawers. This is a working environment as well, so I've got our printer here. I've got an actual PC now down there for better, faster, stronger processing and editing and things. So my laptop was really struggling, and then I've got some snazzy little thing which means I can keep my monitors plugged into my base unit, my PC and my work laptop at all times, and then with a flick of a switch I can switch between the two. It's all very snazzy, it's all very Lion. You right there? Lion is IT support, and over here I've got this. I'm not really down with the fake flowers because I think they can look a bit plasticky sometimes, but I actually bought those for my Halloween collaboration with the Gordy gang when I was Autumn Beckman, and she had some flowers in the background on hers, so I got these for that video, and I really like how they stand out against the Hague blue, which you can see looks different colours when the light hits it differently. It's one of the things I absolutely love about this colour, and I know Amelia Rose loves this colour as well. Lemurs haven't yet gone up because, oh Lily, you're so pretty, because I don't want to nail anything into the wall yet, because I was having a little bit of a, not a crisis, but that wall is looking a bit empty, so I was thinking about nailing it up there, but I also wanted to keep everything clear here. Hello, outfit of the day, M&S pink trousers and an H&M Mickey and Minnie Mouse t-shirt. Yes, so there we go. I wanted to keep this bit clear, kind of behind me and all around here, so I could do, are you okay? So I could do some, what I think to be good mod shots. Lily, you're making me laugh. So I can do my mod shots and stuff without having to tidy up and do everything like that. So that was a main thing. Do you want to get out now? Okay, I don't want you complaining to get back in again. So I wanted the space where I could just come in here and go, oh, I'm feeling cute. I'm just going to prance around and dick around in front of the mirror here and do some mod shots and stuff. We've got the window there as well, so a nice little bit of natural light. I like the difference, so a bit shady here, light here from the natural light. It is very gloomy outside, so not a huge amount of natural light coming in at the moment. So instead of potentially screwing into the wall and having like a fixed hanging rail, I was thinking about having something that I could move in between rooms. I could have it in the spare room and then move it into here when I needed to, when I was going to do some like get ready with me's maybe, or some styling. The amount of times I've had things hanging from my desk and they keep falling off because it's not a hanging rail, and I really need some sort of hanging rail. So I don't want to have something fitted permanently, even though I have something now. I'd much rather have something that I can sort of move around the room. Pretty much everything is movable in this room apart from the units at the back. I've got the same little pretend crystally chandelierial type lampshade that I had in my old room back in Reading, because it's so cute, and when it's a little bit darker you'll see a much nicer sort of display of pattern on the walls and on the ceiling. So what do you think of my new room? What do you think of my setup? My desk is a standing and sitting desk, so that's really great. During the day I can raise it up because I am in this room I start work at 8:30, I finish at 5, I go straight into editing and all of that kind of stuff and try to answer comments and things. So I'm in this room until it's time to cook dinner, and then it's bedtime. I am lucky to have such a massive room to play with. What do you think of my colour scheme? I love this Hague blue. I would have it everywhere if I was allowed to, but the lines told me I'm not allowed to have it everywhere. I love that it's so deep and rich and quite masculine, and then up against I've got some richer kind of jewel colours. I'm sorry it's taken so long. It has been a long drawn out affair, and to be honest, I didn't think I was ever going to get to the stage where I was going to be able to share it with you. Yes, but I'm happy now. It's a great space for me to have. I'm very lucky to have it. And hopefully, now that this is all done and calmed down a little bit, I'll be able to do a few more fun mod shots and share things like that. Maybe get back on the gram more regular like. Let me know what you think. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby dozy, and bye-bye.